Myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about dictionary data structure. Okay, dictionary means it is group of key value pairs. Now, if we want to represent a group of object as a key value pair, then we should go for a dictionary. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed, but value can be duplicate. Heterogeneous objects are allowed for both key and values. Dictionary are mutable. It means we can change the element of dictionary. Dictionary are dynamic. It means we can increase or decrease length of a dictionary. Indexing and slicing concept are not applicable in dictionary. Okay. Now, how to create dictionary? So, D, that is one type of dictionary and it contains key value pairs. So, D, that is one type of dictionary and it contains key value pairs. For example, D is equal to this 100, that is first key and corresponding value Durga. Then second 200, second key corresponding value Ravi. Then third key 300 corresponding value Shiva. So key value. Okay. Then we are creating empty dictionary and we can add entry as below. For example, D is equal to this, that is empty dictionary, or D is equal to dict in this way, parenthesis. So that is also one type of empty dictionary. Now we add element to this dictionary. So D 100, that is equal to Gopi, then D 200, that is equal to Prisha, and D 300, that is equal to Kisan. So this 100, that is key 1 and Gopi corresponding value. 200 key 2 Prisha corresponding value. Then 300 key 3 and Kishan corresponding value. Now if we print D, then we get 100 Gopi, 200 Prisha, 300 Kishan. So key value. So that is about dictionary. Now how to assess data from the dictionary? So we can assess data by using key. For example, that is D, that is one type of dictionary. Now print D of 100. It means what is the value corresponding to this key 100. So value is Krishna. So we get answer Krishna. Now second one, print D of 300. So what is value corresponding to 300 key? That is Shiva here. Then print D of 400, but 400 key that is not present in dictionary. So we get key error, that is 400 not present in the dictionary. Now how to update dictionary? We know that D of key that is equal to value. So if the key is not available, then a new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair. Okay. So if the key is already available, then old value will be replaced by new value. Now, for example, this D is equal to 100A and 200B. It contains two key value pair. So first, if we print out D, then we get 100A and 200B. Now, if we add another key value pair, for example, D 300 is equal to C. It means 300 key and corresponding value C. And then we print out D, then we get 100A 200B, 300C. Then we add one key value pair, for example D, 400D, and then print out D. So we get 100A, 200B, 300C, and 400D. So in this way, we add one more key value pair to the dictionary. Now same program we run in PyCharm. So D, that is one type of dictionary, 100A, 200B, then print D, then add one key value pair D, 300 is equal to C, and print D, then add another key value pair D, 400D, and print out D. So if we run the same program, then we get output first, that is 100A and 200B, same dictionary. Then add one key value pair. So 100A, 200B, 300C. Then add another key value pair. So 100A, 200B, 300C, and 400D. So that is how we modify dictionary, how we add key value pair to the dictionary. Okay. Now, how to delete element from the dictionary? So first, that is del D of key. So if we delete a particular key value pair from dictionary, then we use this function. It delete entry associated with the specified key. If the key is not available, then we will get key error. Okay. Now, for example, D is equal to 100 Durga and 200 Ravi. So D, that is one type of dictionary which contain two key value pair. Now print D, it means this simple dictionary print out. Now then del D of 100, it means delete entry associated with 100 key. So this 100 Durga, that is deleted, and print D. So we get 200 Ravi only. And then del D of 400. But this 400 key not available in the dictionary. So we will get key error. Now if we run this program, then we get first simple dictionary, then 100 key value pair, that is cancel out. So we get 200 Ravi only, and then we will get key error because 400 not available in the dictionary. So we get key error. Okay. Now D dot clear. This function is used to remove all entry from the dictionary. For example, that is one type of dictionary, and print D. So we get a dictionary, and then D dot clear. It means it remove all the item, all the key value entry present in the dictionary, and we will get empty dictionary. So this all entry that is removed, and we will get empty dictionary. Then next one, that is del D. It means it delete total dictionary. Now we cannot access D. So total dictionary delete. Then for example, D is equal to 100 Durga and 200 Ravi. Then print D. So we get this dictionary. Then del D, it means total dictionary delete. Then print D. So we will get error because dictionary not present. Total dictionary delete. Okay. So we get first this complete dictionary, and then name error because name D is not defined, because this del D, it means it delete total dictionary. So if we print then print D, so we will get name error. Name D is not defined. Okay, so this is about how we delete some element or total dictionary. Okay. Now this same function we run in PyCharm. So D is equal to 100 Durga, 200 Ravi, then print D, and then del D and print D. So if we run this program, then we get answer first simple dictionary, and then if we delete dictionary and then print D, so we get name error because name D is not defined. Okay, so this is about today lecture. In this lecture we discuss about dictionary data structure. Okay, dictionary which contain group of key value pair. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.